Monsoon in India really gives one of the best natural scenery. Rivers are on full swing, mountains are awake after a long sleep, and monsoon decorated the whole valleys with sparkling waterfalls, magnificent lakes, lush green trees and beautiful flowers. So in today's video we will see the top 10 best India waterfalls and where it rank, and share our favorite waterfall experiences in the Indian subcontinent. For more informational videos related to traveling and tourism spots, subscribe our YouTube channel. So without wasting time, let's get started. Number 10, Jog Waterfall in Karnataka. At a height of 826 feet, the Jog Falls flow from the Sharavati River in a valley of the same name. Split into 4 distinct falls, Jog Falls is located in the Shimoga district of Karnataka. Perfect for sightseeing, the location is wonderful and the view is best from the viewpoint constructed by the state's tourism department. Number 9, Thaliyar Waterfall in Tamil Nadu. Set amidst the darkness of deep caves and dangerous regions of unexplored forest, the Thaliyar Falls in Tamil Nadu can be found in the Dindigul district of Tamil Nadu. The waterfalls hit the ground from a height of 974 feet. Visit these waterfalls for the spirit of adventure, for the region is largely unexplored and trekking may be possible only with an experienced guide's assistance. Number 8, Meenmati Waterfall in Kerala. Located in the Wayanad district of Kerala, the Meenmati Falls descend from a height of 980 feet. It is famous for the greenery and the forestry that surrounds it, offering an incredible opportunity to spend time in the lap of nature or go trekking in the pristine forests to watch birds. Visit the Meenmati Falls in Kerala if in South India, and absorb the beauty of nature. Number 7, Dudhsagar Waterfall in Goa. The Dudhsagar Falls are known as the Sea of Milk, and are an incredible sight to behold. The waters plunge from a height of 1020 feet, and draws tourists away from the warmth of the Goa beaches simply to admire these waters, especially in the monsoon seasons. What's more, the Dudhsagar Falls in Goa are noted among the top 100 waterfalls in the world. Number 6, Langshan Waterfall in Meghalaya. The Langshan Falls in Meghalaya are found in the West Khasi Hill district. The district is 5 kilometers away from the village of Sangryang. The height of the waterfalls are yet to be measured to complete accuracy, but it is generally believed to be approximately 1,106 feet tall. A beautiful sight, the Langshan Falls are famous as the third set of waterfalls in Meghalaya which find a place of honor in any list comprising of the top 10 highest waterfalls in India. Number 5, Kinram Waterfall in Meghalaya. Another scenic waterfall in Cherrapunji, the Kinram Falls are located in a park known as the Thankarang Park. Amidst the beautiful attractions offered by Meghalaya and its surroundings, the 3-tiered falls at Kinram make for one of the most stunning and attractive destinations. Be sure to visit if you have the opportunity. Number 4, Nosngithang Waterfall in Meghalaya. One of the largest waterfalls in the East Khasi Hills nestled in Meghalaya, Nosngithang Falls stand at a height of 1033 feet. You will find them if you walk in the opposite direction from the village of Mosme for a kilometer. Also known as Mosme Falls, these stunningly beautiful waterfalls are divided neatly into 7 parts. A must-see. Number 3, Nokalikai Waterfall in Cherrapunji. Standing at 1,115 feet above ground, the Nokalikai Falls are one of the highest waterfalls in India. The name is supposed to come from the story of an aggrieved mother, named Kaliki, who jumped off the edge of the cliff and turned into this beautiful waterfall. The waterfalls are supposed to be at their absolute and beautiful best during the rainy season for obvious reasons. At the base of the waters is a pool of strangely green, unpolluted water. Number 2, Behipini Waterfall in Orissa. The Behipini Falls is right in the center of Odisha's Simlipal National Park in Mayurbhanj and stands at 1,309 feet. This waterfall is tucked into an alcove of deep, green forest, making it ideal for a visit by trekkers and nature enthusiasts. The waterfall is situated on the Budhabalanga River which flows into the Bay of Bengal. This waterfall is known for its beauty that it adds to Odisha. Number 1. Kunchikal Waterfall in Karnataka. The Kunchikal Falls is found in the Shimoga district of Karnataka, in the Agambe Valley. They fall from a height of 1,493 feet, making it the tallest waterfall in India. The falls are situated amidst an abundant rain forest, verdant from the perennial rain. The largest waterfall is formed by the Varahi River. The area is famous for squirrels, reptiles, a variety of unique birds, rare reptiles. Visit with caution. Waterfalls inspire awe, returning us to the glory of nature. We often see images of waterfalls that leave us feeling as emotionally lifted as one would feel when listening to the crescendo of a song. It is a well-justified desire to see a waterfall, and we hope that you can visit at least one of these waterfalls that constitute this list. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel.